Welcome to a day unlike any other. A day in which data powers your world, impacts every part of your life, fuels every sector, and drives forward every idea. As we face global change, data is your compass for navigating a world evolving at breakneck speed. A world transformed by rapid technology revolutions, shifting market landscapes, and the urgent challenges posed by climate change and global instability. In this era of exponential growth, where artificial intelligence and quantum computing redefine the possible, Veeam stands at the convergence of protection, recovery, and potential. Veeam isn't just keeping up, Veeam is setting the pace, leading the rapid evolution of data across every sector. As your ally in building an organization that doesn't just survive, but thrives, resilient, ready for any eventuality, priming your data to propel you forward with seamless, clean, definitive recovery, no matter what happens. We're committed to data freedom, empowering you to manage your data exactly as you see fit. Secure, owned by you, always available, no matter when and where it's needed. Veeam is pioneering the frontier of AI resilience, where data is not just protected, but predictive, continually enhancing its own protection.